Today, we're going to turn your face into a 3D cartoon character, a super fun effect that gives your video a stylized animated look, similar to what you'd see in Pixar style films. Let's get started. First, import your video into CapCut and tap the clip to select it. Now, go to the bottom toolbar and tap Effects. Next, tap Body Effects. Inside this section, open the Face tab. Here you'll find several 3D cartoon styled presets. Options include Cartoon Man, Cartoon Woman animal inspired variations. Simply choose the style that best matches your character or the mood you want. Once applied, your face transforms into a 3D animated version of itself, bigger eyes, smoother skin, and stylized features, just like a digital cartoon character. If needed, adjust the effect duration on the timeline so it appears exactly where you want in your video. Preview your clip to enjoy the animated transformation, and that's it. You've successfully converted your face into a 3D cartoon using CapCut Mobile. This effect is great for fun reels, storytelling edits, children's videos, or just adding a playful twist to your content. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile editing tutorials.